Okay, hello. I'm gonna show you the Crayola crayon bonus pack unboxing. I just need to turn on the light.
Hello? Oh, good.
Okay, there we go. So, as I said yesterday, I'm gonna show you. So, I'm on the last two.
Tapos pabalik, wala naman dala.
Packing.
Oo.
So it's
Oo.
burnt sienna. I don't remember any sienna. Cornflower, goldenrod,
Oh, yeah?
Granny Smith apple. Sorry for the noise. Lavender, macaroni and cheese. Look at this. Macaroni and cheese. It's weird. Ah.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Goldenrod. Mahogany.
Ayaw na bumalik ni Mia ito.
Oh, and here's a favorite of mine. Mavelus. I don't know how to pronounce it, but right there. It's not backwards. Not backwards. And another favorite.
Okay. Sana dinain mo
Tumbleweed.
yung aking timesheet. At saka humingi ka ng fluid doon.
Tumbleweed.
Pinalagyan ng fluid.
And another favorite,
yung,
like
yung power steering
olive
fluid.
green. Another favorite,
yeah.
Purple Mountains Mace
Sa opisina? Wala.
Raw Sienna.
Sa mga sasakyan.
Salmon.
Okay.
Sea green, my favorite.
O'Reilly.
Sepia, I don't know. Spring green. And onto the next one.
Okay. Pupunasan na lang, ano mo rito sa baba, mapunasan, okay? Pupunasan ko. Yung susi nga, dali pupunasan ko, okay?